Why does your scanner show the P0675 engine code? What does it mean?
P0675 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder number 5 glow plug circuit.
The P0675 engine code for indicate powertrain control module (PCM) triggers this code when it detects a break, short, or current draw discrepancy in the electrical circuit that powers the glow plug for the 5th cylinder. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately.
So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed auxiliary coolant pump,
Wiring and connector issues,
blown fuse,
faulty coolant pump relay,
ECM or PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle.
This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, Toyota, and BMW.
If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.